So this is how you can get rid of the network error in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today you will learn how to fix the network error. So just sit back and watch carefully so you can find out how to fix this. As you can see, I'm in CapCut right now, and for some people, if they tap on effects, it's gonna show up as network error. Now, this may be a problem of your internet, so try reconnecting or unplugging and replugging. And if that still doesn't work, you're gonna want to need a VPN. Now, I have the perfect free VPN for you, and you don't even have to pay. So just go ahead to your browser and search for freevpnplanet.com. Tap on this big red button that says Free VPN for Windows. So once you download that, you're going to want to open the app itself. As you can see, this is a free VPN with locked countries, but all you're going to need is these five. So just connect to a specific country. If this one doesn't work, just try the other one, and so on. So go back to CapCut and check if it works, and if it does, then you're welcome. And if it doesn't, then just try the next region. So that's how you can fix this network problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.